Satnam. This is day 1, February 1st of Kundalini Yoga Challenge. We are going to be working with inviting prosperity and abundance into our life. Today, we're going to make a fist, but first we want to put our thumb right under our Mercury finger, which is our little finger. Then close your hand. So your thumb should be touching your Mercury finger. Now we want to extend the arms outward. And we are going to keep our arms outward through this whole practice. Now we want to make circles as fast as we can comfortably. Now you should have your spine straight and your eyes closed. Now let's begin. You want to inhale and exhale from the nose powerfully. Sacred Goddess. Today we are working on the first day of our February challenge for Kundalini Yoga. This was for abundance and prosperity, to invite this into your mind, body, and spirit, your life. When we put the thumb under the Mercury finger, this will regulate your body and your organs. And it is very calming, and it releases any stress or anxiety you may be holding in your body. It may help with symptoms on your menstrual cycle, menopause, and it is working with your glandular system as well. This Kriya is a great challenge because we are working with our vitality. This Kriya is meant to do for 11 minutes. But if you're a beginner, I do suggest to begin with less time. Tomorrow we're going to be working on a meditation for third eye chakra. This will help with your intuition, clear senses, psychic abilities, your inner knowing. They also say it may stop aging in your face. So join me tomorrow for day 2 of the February challenge with Kundalini Yoga. If you like my video, please like. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Namaste.